The speed is very good, no? So let's do a quick unboxing on this one. Here's the box. As you can see, here's the device. Actually, nabuksan ko na siya, but I just put it again in plastic. Okay, so here's the device itself. Okay. Alright, so it has a very good weight on it, ano? It's very high quality. Siyempre, it's made by D-Link. Okay. Okay, later we'll check the device itself, no? So ano pa yung kasama niya? So from the box you get the, of course, the cable. Okay, it supports type C, no? So also it supports reverse charging, no? So pwede mo siyang gamitin as a power bank. Okay, and a quick install guide and a SIM card removal tool. So here's the power button here.